Hello guys, welcome back to the channel in Turok 2. In the last episode, we went through the third part of level 6. It seems like I'm whizzing through this, doesn't it? And now, I believe this is the last part of the whole light ship. I'm just going to get some ammo because, you know, regenerating ammo and I'm running out of ammo. But I believe this is where we tie up this whole level. Like the flesh portal and the talisman portal have been in this part as well. Because we haven't seen them yet. Hello. Get out of my face. Enemies are still annoying though. But this is probably going to be the hardest part of the level. Oh, drone gun, go away. Fudging appearing behind the teleporter. Fudging Primagen is stupid light ship. And let's not pick up the firestorm cannon yet. Any more? Before I pick up the firestorm cannon? Yeah, but there's a drone gun. And there's another one. Don't jump out of the way. Ow, I'm getting shot at. Come here. Fudging drone gun. Now I can pick up. Can I pick up the firestorm cannon now? Nope. I'm not picking it up just yet. Make sure everything's dead first. Then I'll pick it up. And I've got an extra 30 rounds. And an extra 30 rounds. Now I can pick it up. Anything going to appear? No? Good. Normally the case when you pick up a weapon or something, something appears so you don't have full ammo anymore. Hello, Biobot. Bye, Biobot. Fudging drone guns, man. This level is fudging drone guns are annoying. You know what drone guns want to appear? Oh, hello. Take that as a yes for drone guns appearing. I wonder if I can get in there. And this was the reason why I switched to the shredder. I saw those shells and thought, why not? Oh, it's only on that side. Must need to go in there. Knowing this game, there's something in there. There's an iron capacitor. What's that door open? I'm going to see if this door's open though. Nope, that is firmly shut. So don't go in there. Unless it opens later. Who knows? We'll have to find out. There's no point in, like, you know, thinking about that right now. Right. There's an iron capacitor up there. Obviously I can't get it yet. Ooh, that looks interesting. Right. That's a door that I can't get in yet. But it looks suspicious and it must be able to open it. Right, this definitely looks suspicious. Yep. I thought so. Go away, biobots. Get out my face. How are you not dead yet? I've shot you so many fudging times. Get out. But where the hell did you appear from? God, you're worse than soldiers. Look at that. And he's invisible. Holy fudge me. Oh, God, that's worse than soldiers' fire. That was not fun. I don't know where he appeared from, mind. I must appear from in here. Fudging gear. Oh, man, that was not fun at all. Wasn't expecting him either. I don't trust any of that. Oh, fudge. I didn't realise I was against the clock there. Fudging. That thing, man. Seriously, I was not expecting behind me. Just realised I'm getting shot the fudge out of. Turn around, there he is. Door open. Run. There we go. But I can go through the back streets. Yeah, don't fall down there. You'll fudging die. Oh, alright. Ow! What is shooting me? Oh, you! Up there! You realise you were shooting me. You realised you were there. You get this iron capacitor first, though. Good. There, right. Now I've got to walk. Now I've got to walk all the way back bloody round. Oh no, I don't actually. Just realised that goes up and down now. Hello, lasers. How are you? You can stay back under there. Stupid lasers. Right. This way, isn't it? Hey, it's a box of shotgun shells though. That will help me. Still the health.
Assembly plant destroyed.
Hey, oh look, it's a portal switch.
Warp portal activated.
I don't know what that one's for. And I just destroyed an assembly plant. Wicked. Go some. No, click the switch. Go through the door. Oh, hello. Look what it is. It's got to be the flash portal. It's got to be the flash portal because I've not found an eagle feather yet. Oh, you're kidding me. It's the fudge. Oh, it's the talisman portal. I thought it was the flash portal. Don't attack me as I come out of a fudging teleporter. Get up, Biobot. Seriously thought that was the fudging, like, flesh portal. I was getting ready to fight, like, you know, Lord of Fleshes and stuff. I was preparing myself for what level 6's flesh portal brings me. But, whoa, whoa, hello. Hi. Why is this thing not dying? Holy friggin' crap, man. Ow! Shoot me through walls! A is invisible. No. I'm not letting you do that. And it's like, that looks like the assembly plant. It's like a factory fudging line. This is the depot for where they make the things. Man, I seriously thought, get out. I ain't letting you move. Another iron capacitor. Assembly plant computer. Guessing I... Oh, there you go. Oh, and there's the eagle feather. What just shot me? Yeah, you ain't running away. Yeah. So that's 2 assembly plants destroyed. Wicked. Everything is literally in this part. Ooh, hello. Nice. Blue laser cells. Wicked. Guessing they're going to come in use later on. And now I need to go back to the fudging talisman portal because I've got that fudging eagle feather now. But at least I can like do it now. Oh. Revelation before. Back through the teleporter. Actually, backtrack. Backtrack so many times in this game. Well, not really. There's not that much backtracking, really. There we go. And I've now got the Eye of Truth. I can now traverse, like, its hidden paths. All those Eye of Truth things I found before, I can now go past.
As a reward, I grant you the Eye of Truth talisman. Now you may see things which were once invisible to you. Use it well.
Well, I've now got all the talismans. I've truth. I can see invisible paths now. Right, let's get back on track then. This level was pain. I just heard something regenerate. Right. That's 2 assembly plants down, so I've got 1 more. I just heard something regenerate. Oh, that must have been that. Cool, alright, so there's some explosive shells, so I'm going to get them before I carry on. Alright, let's go then. No! None of them came out. Alright, cool. They always usually have explosive shells underneath, that's what I've noticed. Right. That is the flesh portal. Can't get in here right now, obviously, because it's shut. Get out! Boom! Yeah, those explosive shells I don't trust those explosive shells. There's a PFM layer. No one uses the PFM layer. Right, that was right in my face. Oh. Oh, wait, hang on a second. I think I saw that laser grid. Yeah. There you go, now it's safe for me to walk through that. And I found an ion capacitor.
Warp portal activated.
Wait, does that mean I have all 4 now? Oh, wait, no, hang on, no. I think I know what I have to do here.
Full health.
I don't know why I bothered getting that. There was no need to get that. Alright, let me go to this assembly plant.
Assembly plant.
There we go. Ha ha! Eat that, Turok. Eat that, Primagen. Your assembly plants are all destroyed. They're all destroyed now. Ha 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 ha. Fudging Primagen. Yeah, this way now. No, I saw you go invisible, mate. You can't hide from me. I don't really have to do this, but... And then that's all the assembly plant's done. Oh, sugar. Oh, hello. There's a way to go down here. Oh, hello. Get out my face. Guessing those doors don't open. Cool. Just by an off chance I found that, to be perfectly honest. Right, there you go. Now it's safe to walk through! Woohoo! Right then. I guess it's time to go fight some Flesh Lords. But I will save that for the next episode because I'm going to end it there. So I'll catch you guys next time, guys. Keep on rocking.